How to log into Viki. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you install the app called Viki and then open up the app. After that, tap on sign up for free. And here you can continue with Google, Facebook or Rakuten. Here I'm choosing continue with Google. Now as you tap on that, you'll have to choose an account to continue to Viki app. So here I've chosen an account and you'll be able to go through the application. Now tap on let's go and you can skip all these factors that has been shown on the screen right now. After that, you'll be logged in and signed in to the Viki app. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.